Yo, what's up? Y'all, we're having a little bit of a dilemma with uploads and all that stuff, but we will get back to it. We haven't been posting because something happened with all my videos, all the pictures, everything. We're trying to actively restore them, and we will be back at it once everything is restored. Besides the fact that I just got a molar pulled out. Woo, that stuff hurts so bad I can't be underwater for like maybe another day or two. But besides that, how about we go look at a past video of just a little bit of everything that we do. Let's put that up right now, boys. See y'all. Time to release her. Look, she's so mad.